Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check which version of Olares you're running and how to upgrade it using LarePass. Let's open settings. On the My Olares page, which opens by default, you can check the current version. Mine is 1.12.1. Click on Users. Before we continue, make sure you're using an administrator account. Only admins have permission to perform system updates. Now for the upgrade itself, go ahead and open the LarePass app on your phone. Tap on the system card. This brings you to the Olares management page. If you cannot see the information about your Olares device here, check if your phone and the Olares device are on the same network. You'll notice a red notification indicator next to System Update, which tells us a new version is available. Tap on it and tap on Upgrade. You have two distinct options for how to proceed. You can choose Download Only. This is perfect if you're in the middle of something important. Olares will download the update package in the background without interrupting you. The other option is Download and Upgrade. This does everything in one go. For this tutorial, I'm ready to go, so I'm going to select Download and Upgrade and then tap Confirm. The system will download the package and install the update. You don't have to do anything else. During the installation, if you switch to the Olares desktop, you can see that there's also a prompt telling you that the system is being upgraded. Once it's finished, you'll see a success message right here in the app. To double check, we can go back to the Olares desktop, open settings, and confirm the version number has been updated. That's all for this video. If it was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.